Good evening, everyone. I, Sahil Marchetti from the course BSc IT, studying in Lala Lajpat Rai College, going to speak on topic use of IoT in environment protection. So let us start. To know what are uses of IoT, we have to know what is IoT. So let us begin with the PPT. So when our eyes pass these few saturated pixels on the screen, there is an element that has already read the whole article and defined the characteristics of the whole page. Your device like smartphone, laptop, tablets. Internet of Things is the concept of connecting any device which can be turned on and off to the internet. And via the internet, connect the devices to each other. Such devices includes everything from your computers to wearable devices, coffee makers, smart TV, thermostats, refrigerators, smart cars, light switch, and many more. While the number of people browsing the internet is increasing, it is not growing as quickly as the number of connected devices. These devices navigate in their own way by exchanging data and information. This navigation is quite different how we humans navigate. In a way, it is similar to animals that look for food in nature, working more by instinct rather than by intellectual skills. This analogy could be very interesting in the future because we see many parallels between the animal world and the new world of intelligent devices. This includes the risk of toxic habits, viruses, and malicious people who are constantly trying to hack devices for personal gain. To be able to protect ourselves and our data and devices, we will first need to understand the wide range of connections that this device make to the internet. For USB key to your autonomous car, there are different security and functionality problems, which makes the solution very different depending on each situation. So now here you get an idea about what is IoT. So let us begin with the advantages of IoT. So next slide. Now the advantages of IoT. Right now you can easily access the necessary information in real time from whichever location you are at. All it takes is a smart device and internet connection. We use Google Maps to see where we are instead of asking a person in the street. Booking is simpler than ever. Factual information is easily accessible. Even from the latest scientific research or business analysis, it is only a click away. So it is that easy. The first advantage is speed. All this data pouring in enables us to complete numerous tasks which envying speed. For example, IoT makes automation easy. Smart offices automate repetitive tasks, thus allowing employees to invest their time and effort into something more challenging. The second advantage is adapting to new standards. Thoughts IoT is ever changing. Its alterations are minimal compared to the rest of the high tech world. Without IoT, it would be hard for us to keep track of all the latest updates. Better time management. The third advantage. Overall, the IoT is an incredible time saving tool. We can search for the latest news on our phones during our daily commute or visit a blog about a favorite pastime, purchase an item in an online shop, you name it. Eventually, we end up with much more time on our hands. Yeah. So let us begin how it is playing a role in saving the environment. Hmm. So first, air and water pollution. You have heard about it. Current monitoring technology for air and water safety primarily uses manual labor along with advanced instruments and lab processing. IoT improves on this technology by reducing the need for human labor, allowing frequent sampling, increasing the range of sampling and monitoring, allowing sophisticated testing on site and binding response efforts to detection systems. This allows us to prevent sustainability, contamination, and related disasters. The second role of IoT is extreme weather. It senses it. Though powerful advanced system currently in use allows deep monitoring, they suffer from using broad instruments such as radar and satellites. They are very expensive. Rather than more granular solutions, their instrument for smaller details lack the same accurate targeting of strong technology. New IoT advances promise more fine grained data, better accuracy, and flexibility. Effective forecasting requires high detail and flexibility in range, instrument type, and development. This allows early detection and early responses to prevent loss of life and property. So basically, it can sense the weather. Okay. So it can sense the bizarre weather conditions. Now, moving further, the third role of IoT is commercial farming. Today's sophisticated commercial farmers have exploited advanced technologies and biotechnology for quite some time. However, IoT introduced more access to deeper automation and analysis. Much of commercial farming, like weather monitoring, suffer from a lack of precious and requires human labor in the area of monitoring. Its automation also remains limited. IoT allows operations to remove much of the human interventions in system function, farming analysis, and monitoring. System detects changes to crop, soil, environment, and more. They optimize standards process through analysis of large, rich data collection. They also prevent health hazards from happening and allow better control. So moving further, more about IoT, that how it is saving environment. According to the scientific researches, Internet of Things has a large role to play in future of smart cities, which is in turn are supposed to be environment friendly. IoT can be used in practically all scenarios for public services by governments to make cities environment friendly. 1T sensors enabled device can help monitor the environmental impact on cities, collect details about sewers, air quality, and garbage. Such device can also help monitoring woods, river, lakes, and oceans. Many environmental trends are so complex that they are difficult to conceptualize. IoT is a recent communication paradigm that envisions a near future in which the objects of everyday life will be equipped with microcontrollers, transceivers for digital communication, and suitable protocol stacks that will be enable them to communicate not only with one another but also the user, becoming an integral part of internet and the environment. IoT environmental monitoring application usually use sensors to lend a hand in environmental protection by monitoring air or water quality, atmospheric or soil conditions, and can even include areas like monitoring the movements of wildlife and their habitats. Development of resources considering device connected to the internet also means that other applications such as tsunami or earthquake early warning system can also report it and used by emergency service to provide effective aid. So moving further, an urban IoT can provide means to monitor or the quality of the air in crowded areas, parks, or fitness trails. The realization of such a service requires that air quality and pollution sensors be deployed across the city and the sensor data be made publicly available to the citizens. Due to the vast technologies development in the field of wireless communication technology, it has led to the emergence of many pollution monitoring sensors and wireless networks for monitoring and reporting pollution, for real-time monitoring of water quality in the ocean through sensors connected to a bio that sends information via the GPRS network to the monitoring of goods being shipped around the world, and smart power grids that create conditions for more rational production planning and consumption can all be achieved via microphones, microchips implanted in objects that communicate with each other. Some application related to the IoT. Sorry for the pause, but some applications related to the IoT aren't new. Toll collection tags, security access key cards, device to track stolen cards, and various type of identity tags for retail goods and livestock. Other monitoring and tracking systems have more business uses, such as solving or evicting problems like sending a cell phone alert to drivers that traffic is up backed up at a particular exit ramps, and increasing efficiency such as enabling a utility to remotely switch off an electric meter in just vacated apartment. Some of the key usage of IoT in saving the land from excessive misuse is in an adopting smart farming. With our over 70% cultivable land in India, usage of IoT can greatly benefit the farmers in not only controlling produce production but also in soil protection. Productive cultivating has an enormous positive effect on nature. Innovation was being utilized to control harvest or nursery water system through sensors. For example, programmed water system in Southern California is being conveyed as an approach to the battle the intermittent dry seasons, giving water as per the state of soils. Associated automated are likewise being sent in cultivating. There on board, sensors have ranches enhance the utilization of compost and plant assurance items other than giving airborne soil condition information to supplement soil sensor data. Another critical usage is in energy efficient. ICT empowered atmospheres relief procedures could diminish worldwide environmental changes 16.5% by 2020. Contrasted with current endeavors, no other atmosphere elevation system is relied upon to be as powerful. This upgrade incorporates smart home and smart building utility administration, effective utilization of home machine, keep matrix gadget resource following connected to coordinates and savvy modern engines that adjust speed dynamically to outline with just a few cases where IoT can play a key role in energy efficiency. Moving on to the next slide, the energy toll of adding connected device by the million years in enormous and it cannot be overseen. It is the interest of everyone moving forward to create an IoT that minimizes energy requirement and environmental impact. In the near future, low power sensors will be able to work under conditions that surpass current IoT capabilities beside working underground or being able to be deployed at a long distance from the nearest antenna. Battery life will be extended to last for years, thus reducing the energy impact. For India's smart city program to flourish, waste management would play a very important role. In the current scenario, waste management process is in shameless and government is struggling to find ways for eco-friendly disposals. IoT solutions and device for waste management revolves around two main benefits, determining the best time to collect waste and figure out that route truck should follow. This two advantage can reduce the time it takes to address potential waste built by problems. In waste disposal, technologies like IoT can help the city administration in controlling the amount of waste that is disposed at regular intervals, thereby avoiding buildup and using the end residue for other developmental activities like road building or supplying residue gas to power stations, etc. In a few years, water would be the most precious commodity in India. It would be more expensive than oil and gold. In India, over 70% of the population is employed in agriculture. Water management is extremely crucial as water is a scarce commodity. Water management and precision agriculture should almost always be discussed together for a number of reasons. So, moving on to the next slide. Agriculture is by far the biggest use of water in the world. Farmers use 70% of the world's fresh water, but 60% of it is wasted due to leaky irrigation systems, inefficient applications, method, and the cultivation of thirsty crops. According to a research done by Worldwide Life Farm, the development of sensors and actuators provide farmers with increased visibility over their operation, allowing them to optimize water usage and minimize waste by accessing a number of metrics, including temperature, water pressure, and quality. IoT enabled water management can also be done on a commercial level with the installation of smart water sensors in homes and apartments. Those devices, combined with data analytics, can give residents more visibility into the amount of water they use, potentially saving money and conserving this precious resource. Deforestation is another issue that is impacting not only India but the global environment. Here in drone technology has been used to prevent and fight forest fire. They are also now part of an initiative started by carbon engineering to replant 1 billion trees lost from deforestation. Currently, more than 6.5 billion trees are lost each year due to human activities and natural disasters. According to company at the United States Nations Climate Summit, a commitment was made to restore 350 million hectares of degraded and deforested land by 2030. Biocarbon engineering is convinced that the goal will not be achievable unless alternative techniques are used for planting and maintenance. Their solution using IoT technologies is therefore using precious agriculture techniques to increase uptake rates, deploy automated technology to reduce manpower requirements and cost, and deploy drones to determine mapping patterns, landscape design, and timing. Moving on to the next slide. The sensing and connectivity elements of IoT are also being widely used together to prevent and mitigate the effects of natural disaster. Herein, countries are using internet to connect thousands of sensors to cloud-based servers. Those sensors are detecting motion close to an earthquake epicenter and transmitting data out to centers that can issue a warning to residents. Many companies globally are using IoT for damage prevention. For example, pressure sensing, electronic probe are designed to detect the levels of resistance required for a user to penetrate the surface of snow-packed ground. That measure level is read almost instantaneously on a liquid crystal display screen and can be used to determine the likelihood of an avalanche. IoT is a technology which not only benefits business but is also an eco-friendly technology which benefits not only the environment but mankind as whole. So that is it for my presentation topic, and thank you to you all.